Today I'm going to show you how I repaired this wall. The first thing you got to do is get rid of the loose material. So I grabbed the chisel and got rid of some of the gravel. Wet the area, making sure to get rid of the loose concrete. As you go along, you're gonna see that there might be some areas that you need to remove. My son is wetting the big piece that came off, the big chunk that came off, because I will be reusing this big piece. I use the Cemental Rapid Set blue bag. It's about 21 bucks. Mix it according to the instructions. This material dries pretty fast, so you need to work fast. As you can see, I'm no expert. I do not claim to be an expert at this job, but I went ahead and applied enough material to create kind of like a bed for the original piece that came off. Grabbed the end of a mallet, tapped it in as much as I could, and then applied more material around the sides, pressing it in as hard as possible. You are going to lose some of the material. Even if you're an expert, you're still gonna lose some of it, so don't worry about it. Just apply it as if you were applying the icing on a cake. The consistency of the mix needs to be kind of like peanut butter. I use the small trowel most of the time because I wanted to get the material in as much as possible. Using the 12-inch trowel, smooth it out as much as possible. At this stage, you're gonna see some voids, and you're gonna come back and apply more material with the small trowel. There was another section that the stucco came out, so I decided to repair that with some of the leftover material I had, while the other section dried a little bit more in order for me to come back and fill in as much as possible. Going back to the main section again, once I came back, there were still some more voids, so I went ahead and applied some more. This job is not really technical. This job is very, very mundane. There's not a lot of explaining to do. Just watch. If you have not done it before, it's simple. I'm not a professional. This is not my job, but if I can do it, you can do it. There's a section to the right that does not match. It kind of has a void. Again, come back with more material, apply it on there, smooth it out with the bigger trowel. There it is. Now you grab a wet sponge, squeeze most of the water out of it, and now this is where the magic starts taking place. Going about a circular motion. Try to blend in the old with the new, making sure to get rid of some of the lines or some of the hard edges. There's a bit of a belly on there because I think I applied too much material and it started bulging out. You can see it there. So I'm gonna use the big trowel to kind of cut it. Again, like I said before, like a cake. There he goes. I cut a big piece of it, smooth it out, go back around, cut some more. There you go. Going back to the previous section, again, the same principle, same concept. Now using the sponge, which was not wet enough. And here's the final product. You can see it's not perfect. It still has a little bit of an indentation, but the main section doesn't look that bad. This is after I painted the house. It kind of rained a little bit and some of the dirt splashed onto the wall. But once I put mulch in there, that area is gonna look a lot better. So there you go. If you have something broken in your house, fix it. Do not wait. Only 21 bucks. And I didn't even use the whole bag. Thank you for watching. Support this channel.